I can stop whenever we need
Uh-huh.
for the child to grow.
Ngayon na tatlo yung kids mo. Anong age nga nila? 9,
7,
7,
and 5.
5. Paano naka-benefit yung homeschool sa season ng life nyo? Especially may malapit na mag-teenager, tapos may preschooler, so iba-ibang stage. Paano siya naka-benefit ngayon sa season? Working, parents, and business.
Pinaka naging benefit ng homeschooling sa amin, not just in this season. Iba-iba kasi yung mga bata. Kahit pareho sila ng magulang, pareho sila ng genes, pinanggalingan sa amin ng asawa ko. Pero yung learning style nila is different. One of the benefits talaga nakita ko is I can stop whenever we need for the child to grow, and then babalikan ko na lang pag mas kaya nila. Ito, classic example. I have a child, our eldest, nag-start siya magbasa at 3. Our second started reading at 6. And then the third one started reading at 4. So, ano nangyari? Akala ko dahil tama yung method ko
So first.
sa first, mabilis siyang natuto, mag-a-apply sa second. So, nung nag-4 na siya, doon ako nag-start. Sabi ko, masyadong maaga yung 3. So, sige, i-delay ko ng konti. 4. Turuan ko siyang magbasa at 4. Pero at 4, hindi pa rin niya kaya. Naiyak siya. Kasi, hindi niya ma-blend yung sounds. Alam niya yung sounds individually. Bug. Pero pagsasama-samahin na niya, nahihiya pa na siya. To the point, sabi niya, how can I teach my brain to read or to blend the sounds? So, parang naawa ako sa kanya. It's not that I'm forcing her. She wants to read. Pero hindi, that season, hindi pa talaga ready. So, instead of forcing her na, sige, let's just practice every day, I just know during that time, she needs a break. Okay? So, nung nag-break siya, I think we gave her a 3-month break. After nun, ang bilis niya magbasa.
Oh, nice.
Sobrang bilis niyang magbasa. So, isa yon yung learning style ng mga anak ko. I can customize it according to their learning style.